My barbecue pork chops. Look at it, guys, ready to be eaten. Yes, guys. Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I will be doing for you some barbecue pork chops. I have 2 pounds of pork chops, nicely clean up, and I have my seasoning. I have salt, Maggi seasoning, meat seasoning, pimento seed, black pepper, my barbecue sauce, and my browning. I have onion, scallion, and thyme. So I'm gonna get started. So let's add the mixture of the seasoning. Guys, I also have hot pepper. Okay, here I am adding my thyme, my hot pepper, I'm gonna cut up my onion and my scallion to add. Now that I've finished seasoning the meat, I'm just rubbing it into it in order for it to absorb the seasoning so that it can be tasty when it is done. So, a teaspoon of browning just to give it that little color. So guys, as I said before, you can also choose to use a glove to rub the seasoning into the meat. So now guys, the meat is all seasoned up. So I'm gonna cover it and rest it for a couple hours before I start cooking. So stay tuned for the preparation. Okay guys, so I'm leaving it now to marinate. Alright, so guys, I'm ready with the preparation. So I have my pan and I'm gonna add a bit of foil to the bottom of the pan before adding the meat. Alright, so guys, it's time to add the meat to the pan, baking pan. So I'm removing all the seasoning from the pork chops while placing them on the pan. So guys, after I've done added the meat to the pan, I'm just gonna add the seasoning on top of the meat. All right. Then I'm gonna cover the meat now before adding it to the oven. So guys, what covering the meat does, it helps the meat to get juicy and tender quickly when covered. Okay, I'm just adding the meat to the oven now. I'm giving it roughly say 75 minutes to partially cook before adding the sauce. So guys, now it's time to check my pork chops to see how tender it is before adding the sauce. So this is looking so good so far. So I'm gonna get the sauce ready to add to it and then put it back into the oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes more before it is done. All right guys, yes, nice and tender already. Okay guys, so guys, for the sauce I will be using some barbecue sauce and some tomato ketchup. So I'm just adding it to the pot that was already heated up, and then I'm going to just add a bit of water, not much, just a little. Added a tablespoon of sugar to the mixture, and I'm allowing it to cook, then add it to the pork. So guys, the sauce is now ready to be added to the pork, looking nice. Guys, I'm ready this to the pork chops now. So here we go. Guys, you can also use a brush to brush it on. If you don't have a brush, you can also spoon it. Alright, so spread this all over and cover every piece of the meat with the sauce, and flip the meat now and also spread the sauce to the other side. Okay, they're all looking juicy already guys, and it's not done, so we're gonna put it back into the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, over it, I'm just going to allow it to cook open. And there you have it guys, my pork chops all done, ready to be eaten. Nice and juicy, all done. Look at it guys, ready to be eaten. Leave a comment below and tell me what would you have this with. I will be having this with some macaroni and cheese, some fried plantain, and some vegetable. Okay guys, sound good? Sound interested? I believe so. So guys, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend to come on over to my channel. And please remember to watch my last video that will be posted here. Follow me on all social at Ann Booth. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for my followers. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.